Did you know you can power a full-size fridge, a coffee maker, and all your electronics in a camper van just with the power of the sun? That's right, the sun is sending free energy to your roof every single day, and if you're not capturing it, you're leaving money and freedom on the table. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the top 6 solar panels for your camper van. From ultra-portable folding panels to high-density rigid kits, comparing portability, power, shade-busting technology, and real-world output so you can make the smartest choice for your off-grid lifestyle. We're covering budget-friendly options and performance monsters alike. So whether you're running a fan, a fridge, or a full-blown camp kitchen, you'll know exactly which kit fits your van. Links are in the description to check the latest prices as we go. Let's get solar. 6. DOKIO 150-watt portable foldable solar panel kit. Kicking off at number 6, the DOKIO 150-watt portable foldable kit is the ultimate solution for minimalists and weekend warriors who want serious portability. Weighing just 7.3 to 9 pounds and folding down to a laptop bag size, it's perfect for tossing in the back seat or setting up on uneven ground. Compared to rivals like the ALLPOWERS 100 watts or rigid Renogy 100 watts panels, it strikes a sweet spot of lightweight and higher nominal wattage. But there's a trade-off. Peak output usually maxes out closer to 90 to 100 watts in real-world conditions, so you won't see the full 150 watts claimed. The included PWM controller is simple, dual USB equipped, and easy to use, but less efficient than MPPT controllers found in higher-end kits, meaning some energy is lost, especially in cold or overcast weather. The lightweight fabric case improves portability, but reduces long-term durability compared to aluminum-framed or glass-protected panels. Despite these compromises, if your goal is charging small devices, running LED lights, or supplementing a small battery bank for a baseball plant, few days, the DOKIO 150 watts is unmatched in convenience and value. Would you trade a bit of peak power for portability this light? Let me know in the comments. 5. ALLPOWERS SP027 100 watts foldable solar panel. At number 5, the ALLPOWERS SP027 100 watts foldable panel is perfect for those who already own a portable power station like Jackery, EcoFlow, or Bluetti. Its high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, rated up to 23%, make it one of the most productive foldable panels out there. The IP67 waterproof rating and durable ETFE material give it a major edge in weather protection compared to the fabric DOKIO 150 watts. Built-in adjustable kickstands allow optimal sun alignment, a huge convenience on uneven ground. Users report real-world output of 60 to 80 watts, slightly below the rated 100 watts, but consistent and reliable for charging power stations or small electronics. Unlike the DOKIO, it doesn't include a separate controller, relying instead on the power station's MPPT system to maximize efficiency, making it less beginner-friendly but more effective paired with modern hardware. Compared to rigid kits, it trades raw, stable power for quick deployment and portability, ideal for day trips or supplementing a larger system. If you want efficiency, rugged design, and universal compatibility for your power station, this is a top pick. 4. Callsun N-Type 16B B400 watts bifacial solar panel, 2x200 watts. Number 4 is the Callsun 400 watts bifacial kit. 2 200-watt panels engineered for serious, permanent roof installation. With N-type cells, 16BB design, and bifacial capability, these panels capture light from both sides, boosting power by 5 to 30% depending on reflections. Perfect for reflective van roofs or tilted setups. The twin-cell anti-shade tech keeps half the panel running even if a vent or tree casts a shadow, giving more consistent daily output than standard rigid kits. While heavy and requiring secure mounting, the real-world efficiency and advanced construction make it ideal for van lifers, wanting maximum energy yield and reliability. Compared to premium 320-watt Renogy panels, the Callsun trades a bit of front-face density for bifacial gain and superior shade mitigation. If your goal is consistent, high output, off-grid performance with advanced tech, this kit is a no-brainer. 3. Renogy 2x320-watt N-type 18BB solar panel kit, 640 watts total. At number 3, the Renogy 640-watt N-type 18BB kit is pure power density. Two 320-watt monocrystalline panels with 18BB design deliver high efficiency, approximately 25%, and superior durability, hitting 85 to 92% of rated power in real-world conditions. Perfect for high-demand appliances like AC units or induction cooktops, this rigid kit maximizes output in limited roof space. Compared to the Callsun 400 watts, it focuses on front-face density rather than bifacial gain, making it ideal for flush-mounted or dark roofs. With IP68 rated junction boxes and aluminum frames, it's built to last decades. Heavy at approximately 33 pounds each, it's not portable. But if you want maximum raw power per square foot and longevity, this is the elite choice. 2. Eco-worthy 200 watts, 12 volts/24 volts solar panel kit, PWM controller. Number 2. The eco-worthy 200 watts kit is the all-in-one, budget-friendly starter solution. Two 100-watt panels, tempered glass, aluminum frames, a 30-amp PWM controller, and Z-mounting brackets provide everything needed for a small RV or cabin. Ideal for small loads, fans, phones, or a 12-volt fridge, it's simple and reliable. The PWM controller limits efficiency compared to MPPT systems, meaning real output peaks between 110 to 160 watts. Still, compared to portable kits, the eco-worthy panels are rigid, weather-resistant, and consistent, making them perfect for permanent installations without breaking the bank. 1. WERCHTAY 200-watt solar panel kit, PWM controller. Finally, at number 1 is the WERCHTAY 200-watt kit, combining high-quality rigid panels with beginner-friendly setup. Two 100-watt panels, robust aluminum frames, and IP67/IP68 ratings make them suitable for permanent RV. Roof mounting. While it also uses a PWM controller, the panels often feature half-cut cells and improved busbar design, sometimes with minimal bifacial gain, giving a modest efficiency edge over eco-worthy. Perfect for beginners or DIYers planning to upgrade to an MPPT controller later, this kit delivers maximum value, reliability, and future-proofing for a fixed installation. Wrapping it up. From ultralight portability with the DOKIO and ALLPOWERS to the heavy-hitting, shade-busting Callsun and high-density Renogy, there's a solar solution for every van lifestyle. Budget-conscious beginners should consider WERCHTAY or eco-worthy, while serious off-grid builders will appreciate Callsun or Renogy. Choose panels based on your lifestyle and space, not just price. Which panel fits your van perfectly? Drop a comment and let me know. If this helped you solve your solar dilemma, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more guides. Links are in the description. Start your solar adventure today.